Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about call by value versus call by reference, part of programming in C course. In C programming, there are two ways of passing arguments to a function, call by value and call by reference. In call by value, a copy of the argument is passed to the function. Any changes made to the argument inside the function have no effect on the original value. In this example, the swapVal function takes two integers a and b and swaps their value using a temporary variable temp. When the swapVal function is called, the values of x and y are passed to a and b respectively. However, the values of x and y remain unchanged after the function call, since the swapping is performed on the copies of a and b. In call by reference, the address of the argument is passed to the function. This allows the function to modify the original argument, which affects the value outside of the function. In this example, the swapref function takes two pointers, a and b, which store the addresses of two integers to be swapped. The swapref function swaps the value of the integers using a temporary variable temp. When the swapref function is called, the addresses of x and y are passed to a and b respectively. This allows the function to modify the original values of x and y, which are reflected outside of the function. In summary, call by value passes a copy of the argument to the function, and call by reference passes the address of the argument to the function. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.